He was only 28, a rising star, a father, a newlywed, a champion, and in just one tragic moment, it was all gone. Diogo Jota, Liverpool's hero, Portugal's pride, gone in a fiery crash that stunned the world. This is more than a football story. This is the story of how fame, speed, and fate collided, and why the world is still struggling to believe it. Born in Morelos, Portugal, Diogo Jota didn't come from money, fame, or football royalty. But what he had: hunger, grit, that unteachable spark. By 18, he was already turning heads in Portugal's top league. Wolverhampton saw it, Liverpool believed in it, and by 2020, Jota had become a Red. He wasn't flashy like Salah, he wasn't loud like Darwin Núñez. But when Jota played, Liverpool fans knew something special was about to happen. In just 182 games, he scored 65 goals. But more than that, he played with heart. You could feel it every time he pulled on the shirt. On June 22, 2025, Diogo Jota married his longtime partner, Ruth Cardoso. A beautiful ceremony, a future ahead, 3 young children, a new chapter was beginning. But on July 3rd, barely a week later, that chapter came to a crashing halt. At around 12:30 a.m., on a quiet stretch of highway in Zamora, Spain, Diogo and his younger brother, André Silva, were driving a Lamborghini when the unthinkable happened. A tire reportedly exploded during an overtaking move. The car veered off the road and burst into flames. Both brothers died instantly. 2 lives. 1 family. Gone in seconds. André Silva wasn't just Diogo's brother. He was a footballer too. A rising star for Penafiel in Portugal's 2nd division. He had dreams, a career ahead. And like his brother, he lived and breathed the game. This wasn't just one loss. It was 2 young men, 2 teammates, 2 brothers who never made it home. The world responded with heartbreak. Cristiano Ronaldo said, "Portugal mourns one of its finest, gone too soon, but never forgotten." Jurgen Klopp, unable to hold back emotion, said, "It's impossible to speak." Jota was more than a player, he was family. Liverpool fans gathered outside Anfield, thousands of candles, a sea of red shirts, a silence louder than any cheer. UEFA announced a minute of silence before every match in this week's Women's Euro. The game had lost one of its quietest heroes. Diogo Jota wasn't always the headline, but he was always the heartbeat. He played not for fame, but for pride. For Portugal, for Liverpool, for his family. And that's why this hurts so deeply. Because we didn't just lose a player, we lost a father, a brother, a man who never forgot where he came from. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota and André Silva. Your light may be gone, but your legacy lives on. In every match, every fan, every dream you inspired. Some stars don't fade. They burn on, in memory.